Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best shower dispensers in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Better Living Products 76,354 Euro Series Trio 3-Chamber Soap and Shower Dispenser. The Better Living Products 76,354 Euro Series Trio 3-Chamber Soap and Shower Dispenser is the perfect tool to keep your shower or bathroom organized and clutter-free. This durable dispenser features 3 chambers for multiple shampoos, conditioners, and body washes. The sleek and modern design adds style to any bathroom decor. With its easy-to-install mounting bracket, you can quickly mount it on any wall. The large chambers are perfect for holding larger bottles, allowing you to refill the chambers less often. Plus, its durable ABS plastic construction ensures that it will last for years to come. Keep your bathroom clean and organized with the Better Living Products 76,354 Euro Series Trio 3-Chamber Soap and Shower Dispenser. Pros: easy to install. Sleek and stylish design. 3 separate chambers for storing different soaps and shower gels. Durable construction. Dispenses soap with a single pump. Cons: expensive compared to other soap dispensers. Not compatible with all types of bottle sizes. Some reviews have reported issues with the pumps not working properly. Number 2. Our second best pick is Better Living Products 72350 Clear Choice 3-Chamber Shower Dispenser. The Better Living Products 72350 Clear Choice 3-Chamber Shower Dispenser is the perfect way to keep your shower organized and clutter-free. This stylish and versatile dispenser is perfect for storing your favorite shower gels, shampoos, conditioners, and other shower items. The 3 chambers feature adjustable and removable shelves, which can be arranged to fit any shower product. The clear plastic design makes it easy to identify which product is in each chamber. The easy-to-install dispenser can be mounted to any wall in your shower or bath area. The durable ABS plastic construction ensures years of reliable performance. With the Better Living Products 72350 Clear Choice 3-Chamber Shower Dispenser, you can keep your shower organized and free of clutter for years to come. Pros: easy to install and use. Large capacity for multiple bottles of shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and more. 3 chambers for better organization. Durable and long-lasting construction. Comes with mounting hardware. Sleek and stylish design. Cons: limited color options. Not suitable for shower heads with low water pressure. May require more frequent refills due to the large capacity. May not fit all shower sizes. Number 3. Our third best pick is Simplehuman Triple Wall Mount Shower Pump. The Simplehuman Triple Wall Mount Shower Pump is the perfect solution for keeping your shower stocked with all your favorite bath products. This set includes 3 15 fluid ounces shampoo and soap dispensers made from high-quality stainless steel. The durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while the sleek and modern design looks great in any bathroom. The wall-mounted design makes it easy to install and allows for a clean, space-saving solution. The automatic pump dispenses just the right amount of product every time, and the wide mouth opening makes refilling easy. With this set, you will always have all your favorite products within reach. Pros: sleek and stylish stainless steel design. 3 15 fluid ounces shampoo and soap dispensers. Wall-mounted for easy access and storage. Simplehuman Triple Wall Mount Shower Pump for easy dispensing. Easy to clean and maintain. Cons: expensive compared to other dispensers. Not suitable for all shower sizes and shapes. Can be difficult to install. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Better Living Products Classic Dispenser. The Better Living Products Classic Dispenser 4 provides you with the ultimate convenience when it comes to keeping your shower supplies organized. This 4-chamber dispenser features a sleek and modern design that looks great in any bathroom. The chambers are made of durable plastic and can hold up to 4 bottles of shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and more. The easy push buttons make it simple to dispense the perfect amount of product each time. The dispenser has a built-in shelf for extra storage and can be mounted easily onto any flat surface. With the Better Living Products Classic Dispenser 4, you can keep your bathroom neat and organized while also adding a touch of style to your decor. Pros: made from high-quality plastic. Easy to use. Each chamber holds up to 16 ounces of any liquid. Comes with 4 chambers for multiple uses. Easy to clean. Features a no-drip dispenser. Cons: relatively expensive. Can be difficult to pour in liquids if the chambers are full. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Better Living Products 763351 Aviva 3-chamber wall mount soap and shower dispenser. This stylish, wall-mounted soap and shower dispenser is the perfect addition to any bathroom. The Better Living Products 763351 Aviva 3-chamber wall mount soap and shower dispenser features a sleek and modern design and a satin silver chrome finish. It has 3 separate chambers that can hold up to 10 ounces of liquid soap, body wash, or shampoo. With its easy-to-use design, it dispenses the perfect amount of product for each use. The dispenser also features a locking mechanism for added security, and it is easy to install and maintain. Add this beautiful dispenser to any bathroom and enjoy the convenience of having all your shower essentials within reach. Pros: easy to install and use. Dispenses 3 different types of liquids. Sleek and modern design. Made of durable materials. Wall-mounted for convenience. Cons: high price tag. Not suitable for all bathroom sizes. Limited color options. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.